Welcome back. We are now going to iterative flow, which allows us to repeat code. The first structure is the while loop. It executes a block of code repeatedly as long as a specified condition remains true. 1. The syntax and flow. The while keyword is followed by a Boolean condition and a colon. The code block below it is indented. The program checks the condition. If true, it executes the block. It then returns to the top and checks the condition again. This loop continues until the condition evaluates to false. 2. Controlling the loop. While loop may require a mechanism inside the loop body to eventually make the condition false. We call this the update statement. In our example, the line incrementing count ensures the condition count less than 3 eventually fails. 3. Infinite loops. If you forget or accidentally omit the update statement, the condition may never become false. This creates an infinite loop, causing your program to run forever, or until the system stops it. For example, if we removed the line count equals count plus 1, the program would constantly print loop iteration 0. To summarize, the while loop is excellent for repeating actions when you do not know the exact number of iterations beforehand, such as continually asking the user for input until they enter a valid response. Our next lecture 0907. Display numbers from 1 to 20.